Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today this is a real treat. I'm in Grand Central train station. I always wanted to see this. It's really, wow, it's so much nicer than, I've seen it in films, and TV so many times. And it's really cool to come in and see this. Look at this. Absolutely massive. And you're seeing what I'm seeing for the first time, and I can tell you this is so impressive. Wow, it's just a stunning place. And I'll do a 360-degree turn, let you see all around it. And I'll just show you up a wee bit more. Look at that. Look at that roof. Get a wee bit dizzy there doing that, but look at this. I hadn't intended doing a wee video here, but I'm glad I did, because it's really, honestly, it's really impressive. I think I'm pretty confident one of the films, my favourite films, Carlito's Way, was filmed here. It's a bit dingy down here, but if you've ever seen Carlito's Way, there's an excellent chase scene, and it ends at Grand Central Station. I'm just going to go back out. It's a bit dingy out there. It's quite a thing to see. There's a bar up there, a waiting room. The MetLife building. So I think Poughkeepsie. You've seen one of my other videos, I talk about the French Connection, one of my favourite films, and there's a line in it, do you ever pick your feet in Poughkeepsie? I'd love to go sometime just to say I've been to Poughkeepsie, and I picked my feet. Look up the French Connection, brilliant film, and watch the Poughkeepsie Shuffle. It's a documentary Mark Kermode did about the French Connection. Brilliant. Oh. The week in a restaurant. It's an impressive building, I've got to give it that. Where to go next? I think I'll go up the escalator. A lot of people getting their photo took. Very iconic train station. Has to be said. Now, I was going to go up the summit at one Vanderbilt, but the queue was massive. It's my last night here. I want to go and enjoy the rest of my night. This will probably be my last video for tonight. Maybe I'll do one more, I think. I'll do one more and I'll sum up everything. Because tomorrow the holiday's over. And come back to reality, back to Scotland. It's been a great holiday, I've loved it. It's felt like 3 holidays all in one. Really amazing. Oh no, there's nothing really there. Oh, going the wrong way. In fact, you know what? I think I'll just end the video there because there's not much else I could really show you there. That was Grand Central Station, and it's well worth a watch. Well worth visiting if you're in New York. So that was that. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and check out my other videos. Thank you, bye bye.